Hello everyone, and welcome to Healthy Living TV. I'm Dr. Dave, and I'm thrilled to have you here as we explore all things health, wellness, and balanced living. This is the channel where you'll find everything you need to live a healthier, happier life. At Healthy Living TV, we cover a wide range of topics, from nutrition and fitness to mental well-being and personal growth. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, find the perfect workout routine, or just get inspired to live a better lifestyle, we've got you covered. Expect expert advice, simple tips, and easy-to-follow guides that you can start using right away. We'll also feature interviews with health experts and inspiring stories from people who have transformed their lives through healthy habits. In our upcoming videos, you can look forward to healthy recipe ideas, workout routines for all fitness levels, mindfulness and stress reduction practices, answering your most common health questions, debunking health myths with real science. We're especially excited about our special series on holistic wellness, where we'll go deeper into health beyond just diet and exercise, covering topics like stress management, better sleep, and emotional balance. So if you're ready to embark on this journey with us, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Living TV and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a video. Also, feel free to drop a comment below with any health topics you'd like us to cover or questions you have. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Get ready to discover, learn, and thrive. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Stay healthy, and let's make the most of this journey together.